Good morning, students. I am Mamta Chabda. I will teach you science of 7th class. Firstly, I will tell you some basic questions. Our first question is, what provides us energy? From where we are getting energy? From where we are getting energy? From the food. Food is providing us energy. If we are doing any work, we want energy for that work, and from where we are getting that energy? From the food. What are the other functions of food? Food is giving to us energy, but beside that, what are the other functions of food? Food is necessary for growth of our body and for respiration. What are the other functions of food? Food is necessary for growth of our body and for respiration. Now, what are the components of food? Means which things are present in the food? Like which are the components of food? Like vitamins, carbohydrates, proteins. These are the components of the food. What are the other components? Vitamins, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and minerals. These all are the components of food. Now, from where we are getting our food? We are getting our food from the plants. From where we are getting our food? From the plants. How green plants prepare their food? Means plants from where getting their food? How green plants prepare their food? By the photosynthesis. One process is there. Which is that process? Photosynthesis. I think you all know about the photosynthesis, the process by which plants are making their food, that is called photosynthesis. Now tell me, what are the autotrophs? What are the autotrophs? Plants that can prepare their food by self. So plants are called the autotrophs, means which does not depend for their food on anothers, that are called autotrophs. And what are heterotrophs? Which depends on other for their food, that are called heterotrophs. Like we are depending on plants for our food. From where we are getting our food? From the plants. So what we are the heterotrophs. Only plants are there which can prepare their food. Other all the things, all the living beings are depending on the plants for their food. So other all things are called heterotrophs. In which part of the plant photosynthesis occur? You know, in plants many parts are there, like flowers, stems, roots, leaves. Many parts are there of the plants. But in which part photosynthesis occur? Which part of the plant is preparing their food? In which part? In the leaves. Leaves are green in color, so in leaves chlorophyll is present. With the help of that chlorophyll, photosynthesis is occurring in the leaves. Which gas is required by the plants for photosynthesis? Which gas plants are using for the photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide gas. Which gas is required? Carbon dioxide gas. From where does carbon dioxide enter in the leaf? How that carbon dioxide is going inside the leaf? Through the stomata. Means plants are taking breathe through the stomata. What are the requirements for the photosynthesis? Plants are preparing their food. Which things they want to prepare their food? They want four things to prepare their food. One thing is chlorophyll. Second thing is carbon dioxide, CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide. Third thing is sunlight. Third thing is sunlight. These three things: chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, sunlight, and last thing is water. These four things are required for the plants for the photosynthesis. What type of nutrition is occurring in the plants? I told you firstly that plants are autotroph. So what type of nutrition is occurring in the plants? Autotrophic nutrition. Which things are autotroph? In that which nutrition is occurring? Autotrophic nutrition. And what type of nutrition is occurring in non-green plants? Only green plants can prepare their food, so that green plants are called autotrophs. But which are non-green plants that cannot prepare their food, that depends on other for their food. And I told you firstly which depends on other for their food, that are called heterotrophs. So which type of nutrition is occurring in non-green plants? Heterotrophic nutrition. Which type of nutrition? Heterotrophic nutrition. So now tell me, we are human beings. What we are? Human beings are heterotrophs, because human beings cannot prepare their food by self, so we are heterotrophs. The small pores present under the surface of the leaves. On the leaf we are seeing that very small pores are present. What that pores are called? That pores are called stomata. Thank you.